What's up, world? It's Andy tuning in one more time, and today I got one of my favorite things to eat. Never really made it before, but today I'm about to change that, man. So you've probably seen the veggies being prepped and whatnot, and you've probably seen the caption, the title of the video, what have you. So check this out, y'all. I'm right here prepping my lasagna. Now, a little clueless, never really had training with lasagna, so I've been doing my little research on YouTube, on Google, and seeing what's up, how does it go down. So for the most part, I've seen a lot of people, a lot of recipes put some sauce on the pan before the noodles, the sheets of noodles. So I'm gonna do just like that. Shout out to everybody who be making videos on lasagna. Now I got my sauce down. Start with our noodles. I'm starting with some wheat noodles. Wheat salmonella, I think it was. Check it out. This is gonna be the first layer. Some of them broke, you know. Rookie mistakes, rookie moves. And I noticed one of the big things on these videos and recipes of lasagna was do you overlap your sheets of noodles, your lasagna noodles? Do you overlap them? I'm choosing to do so slightly, just because I want a nice coverage of my noodles, of the whole lasagna actually. Bam. Okay. Like I said, some of them are ripped, some of them are broken, so please don't judge. Check it out, check it out. That's how you know it's homemade. Check it out, check it out. And I'm gonna do one across on the other side. See if I can get a broken one. There it is. Okay, okay. Take just a little bit off this corner. And I'm gonna show you a few layers of how I'm gonna do this. Still not entirely too sure. Bam. Okay. So I'm thinking a little bit more sauce. Just a tad bit. I'm kind of skimping because I got a lot of layers to go, but I'm not gonna be a total skimp. Check this out. And if you saw the video, maybe the part one, I'm not really sure how I'm gonna break this down, but I prepped a good amount of veggies and I got some vegan cheese. This is a vegan lasagna, so we're gonna get to it. We're gonna get to it. So it doesn't have to be perfect. A lot of the videos that I watched, a lot of this isn't perfect, so make it look rustic, make it look you. If you want it perfect, handle. I just don't got the patience for that, or don't really want that. You go to a restaurant and they be looking pretty like in the picture, but not really my style. So now we're moving with the Kite Hill ricotta. I'm not sure if you can see that. This is made out of, I believe, out of almonds. Yeah. So break it up with my hand. It's kind of nasty, but I did wash these. Wash my hands. Boom, boom, boom. Okay. Nothing exact, nothing, you know, super measured, just even coverage. I'm gonna have a few layers, so I'm gonna go a little light, go heavy on the veggies. Oh. Alright, and the first few layers, I'm basically gonna repeat them, so I won't show everything. Alright, alright. I got some onions, and you can change that up. It don't gotta be this. Could be your choice of alternate meat options and whatnot. You could do with just cheese and sauce. I gotta have some veggies in mine, to be honest with you. Gotcha. So I got some onions. What I'm laying down right now is some bell peppers. Okay, and then I got a little bit of zucchini. I'm gonna go light in the zucchini because I only had one zucchini that I was kind of sauteed and whatnot. Bam. Okay, okay, okay. Make it nice and even. I got some mushrooms up in here. For the most part, I've noticed that people were saying to have cooled or cool ingredients while you prepare your lasagna, while you're building it. And by the way, I'm preheating my oven right now to 375, so keep that in mind. Alright, alright. I got most of my veggies down. I'm gonna get some type of cheese. Typically, you would use mozzarella. I found a like a pepper jack alternative. Remember, this is all vegan, so it was in slices. So I went a little resourceful. Kind of sliced up the slices. That's how I'm going to do it. Again, this is a pepper jack option. It's traditional with mozzarella. How some people would say it. Alright. Cool. Next layer, I believe. Do that one across. And yeah, it's pretty fun. Kind of enjoying the process. Got the oven making this little alarm for me, letting me know that it's ready. And typically, what a lot of the recipes were saying, that if it's not 3 or 4 layers, it ain't lasagna. So I'm gonna try to shoot for 3 or 4. We'll see how it all turns out. So far, pretty cool. I'm digging the process, digging the vibes. Okay, let's go with some more sauce. This time I'm not gonna skimp. Now that I know, not halfway, but I'm making progress. So, boom. Another big thing people were talking about and discussing on these videos is that what type of pan do you use? What type of pan should you use? A lot of people were big on glass, kind of a casserole rectangle thing. Me, I don't got that at the moment, so I'm rocking it with this kind of metal one, metal sheet pan. It got some girth to it. How long is it? Maybe like 15 inches long, maybe like 9 across, 9 wide. Okay. I got another jar of sauce, so I'm not really tripping like that. Okay. Now back to the ricotta. I'm gonna go in on the ricotta today, or on this layer. Okay. There's a lot of recipes you can make your own ricotta. I chose to just simply buy it. Again, this is the Kite Hill ricotta. Yeah, boy, this looking good. I bought 2 cans, so I'm about to be real generous on this layer. Okay. Oh yeah, this is looking like my type of lasagna. Okay. And I used to love the cottage cheese or the ricotta, whichever you would choose. When I was growing up, man, this shit was delicious. Okay. Well, I'm gonna do one more layer on camera. I got my onions. Okay. I gotta give a big shout out to Make It Dairy Free for all the recommendations. I really followed his recipe for the tomato sauce. I actually made it. I was a little hesitant to go in and buy a can of tomato sauce. I was like, man, if I can make it, I think that would save a lot of stress, a lot of like kind of seeing, trying there, see if it would work or not. Cause I don't like cooking something that's not gonna be good. I'm actually gonna eat this. You know what I'm saying? All right. Got the mushrooms kicking. All right. Yeah, I'm gonna do one more layer actually. It's perfect. Perfect. Alright, we'll get the cheese. Yeah, this is that, I think the brand was Ciao. Ciao, I believe. But yeah. Sorry that I've been away from the YouTube streets. Been a little unfocused on these projects and me getting out content. How life is. Mostly here and there. But no biggie, I'm not complaining. Just adapting to my surroundings, adapting to the situation I'm in. Man, I'm so excited. You have no idea. Shit is crazy. Alright. This is going to be the third layer of noodles. Okay. Ooh. I have to get like some type of utensil to take my noodles out the boiling water, man. I had a little struggle with the my spatula and a whisk. That's how I pulled out the noodles. A spatula and a whisk. Yeah, I know. But we do what we can with what we got. Alright. I'll be right back with the final result. Save me some memory life. Alright, I'll be right back. Turn you off real quick. Alright, y'all. This is what the end result before the cooking happens. So I think I ended up with 4 layers. Pretty legit, man. I'm super excited. I got the rest of the ricotta on top, the rest of the little pepper jack on top. Man, I got it at 375. You already know what time it is. I'm about to hit the foil on top. Ooh. Hit the foil on top for about 30 minutes and then check it. And then crisp the outside by taking off the foil. Alright, y'all. I'm about to go put this in and get ready. Got my salad. You already know. Not playing. Alright, y'all. Give me a few minutes. I'll be right back. Peace. Alright, y'all. One more time. So we just came out the oven. 30 minutes covered with the aluminum foil. And 15 without the foil. I'm about to zoom in. The cheese, the pepper jack didn't really melt a whole lot. It's all about experimenting, you know. My first time making it. Next time I'll go with something better. The ricotta looking dank. Kind of crispy on the side, not too crazy, but it's smelling tremendous. And one last thing. Most people who are on YouTube talking about these recipes mention to let it rest. Let it chill out, which is kind of hard to do because I'm about to break my fast with this and my salad. And yo, I'm so hungry. But yeah, I'll be taking pictures of this, sharing it with y'all. Hopefully soon I'll edit it and post it. Been lacking. Gotta be honest with myself. But yeah, y'all, trying to make more meals like this once a week or so I can eat good and share some content, eat something different. Like Sam the cooking guy said, don't eat the same thing every single day. Switch it up. Alright, y'all, I'm so grateful. I'm so thankful for everyone who played a part in this. You know what I'm saying? All the YouTubers who inspire me to make more content myself. Shout out to Make It Dairy Free for the tomato sauce recipe, and for everyone who influenced with the layering. Alright, y'all, I'm about to go back and kind of cool off this hunger. But yeah, I'm about to slice this up in about a minute or two. Y'all take care, man. Peace.